12 easy wood projects for kids you can do together in an afternoon. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Pencil Caddy. I run this project with grade 4, approx 10 years old, children, and it takes an hour. Kids enjoy using the hammer and this project has plenty of that. And in the end, they have somewhere to store all their pencils. The piece of ply in front of the caddy are templates so kids don't have to measure out where the nails are going. It saves a bit of time. 2. Outdoor storage crate. If you are wondering about easy wood projects for kids, then you probably have stuff scattered all over your backyard, like I do. Balls, soccer goals, buckets, bats, etc. So why not do two things at once and make a storage crate? I don't have plans for this yet, but I will soon, so check back, but I'm sure you can find some online somewhere depending on what you have access to. 3. Pencil box. Remember these? They are a great project for young people. All they really need is a piece of timber 70 mm wide with a 3 mm groove in it. Sometimes I see these made not long enough to store pencils, so measure your pencil before cutting the length. 4. Chopping board. Easy, fun, and will get used. You can keep it simple and glue up lengths, but your child might enjoy using different species of timber cut into smallish block sizes to create some kind of pattern/design. Like something out of Minecraft. 5. Doorstop. Grab some 2x4 or any pine stud and cut an angle on it around 30 degrees. Then on the end you can put on what you want. Some 3 mm ply, a coping saw, or scroll saw, and some paint will give the kids enough scope to make some fun designs. 6. Mobile phone caddy, acoustic speaker. Kids enjoy these and they are simple to understand. I use 12 mm, half-inch, board and laminate, glue them on top of each other, after cutting and drilling out the necessary sections. All you need is the part for the phone, the speaker holes, and a channel for the sound to travel. A good project that lets kids be creative, and also produce something they will use. 7. Couch, sofa, caddy. This project is fun, and it is a good way to introduce kids to design. It will sneak under their radar when you ask questions like what size is your cup? And the follow-up, so what size hole do we need? It's also a project that will get used quite often. 8. Video game control holster. Kids love their PlayStation or Xbox. So they will love adding to their experience by creating a holster for their control. The downside for this project is that the controls are typically an odd shape with plenty of curves, but if you can deal with that, then this is a great project. Especially when kids get a little older and like their video games. 9. Birdhouse. The classic project. There is two downsides though. These birdhouses are typically built for decoration, no bird will live in them, and they would most likely act like a bird trap if the bird did decide to go inside, and secondly, kids aren't really that interested in birds, most of them anyway. But as far as the project goes, it includes using a lot of standard tools and some maths, which is why I did it for a while. 10. Storage box. We've already covered pencil boxes and outdoor storage crates. This is the inside version where you can put toys and other things. Same principles apply though. 11. Monster truck. Boys of a particular age love monster trucks. The picture above is two monster trucks that I designed to be made in an afternoon together. 12. Build your own wand. You can build a wand or with the same principles build stick puppets. Again, something you can do in an afternoon that will entertain and create memories with your child. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.